This is a military tube tester made by Hickok, and the model number is a TV-3B-U. And you can see the cord coming out behind that little door. Here I've opened it up, and what else is stored in there besides the cord is this. And there's connectors for the tops of tubes that have a grid connection. And what's in the brown paper containers are things like spare bulbs, fuse bulbs, and those large adapters I believe are for military tubes. Here I have lifted the lid, and not surprisingly we got lots of knobs and buttons, and this is what's on the top of the lid. Now here I have taken the tube tester out of the cabinet, and here is the back side of this tube tester. You can see that it's crammed in there pretty good, and notice that the scroll paper is white, so that means that that dark color, the plastic on the front of this has darkened, but the paper is in really good shape. Here is a wiring diagram for this tube tester, or one very close to it, and you can see that there's just a tremendous amount of wiring and switches in this tube tester. Okay, I've had this tube tester on for a little while, and I have set the line voltage, and the tube that's in here is a 6T8 tube, and I've got it set up to read one of the diodes. Okay, and we're to press P2, which is right there, and as long as it goes over where it says diode here, we're good. Okay, so that diode is good. I could check the other three, but I'm sure they're good. It's a brand new tube. But I'm going to switch this to check the, let's see, the triode here. So that means I've got to change these settings here. I'll be right back. Okay, I have changed all these switch settings, changed the bias for the triode section, and we are on scale B, and we're supposed to read at least 760. Okay, scale B is up here, and that is 3000. Okay, so if we go over to the meter, 3000 happens to be the last one there. So we'll be looking at that scale, and I'm to press P3, here we go. And we're definitely over 760. So the triode is good in this tube. Okay, now I've got this set up for a 6L6. I've checked the line test, and I have all these knobs and the bias. Let's see, did I set the bias? There's the bias 23. Oh, I did forget that one. Let's see, we need 23 here. Okay. And let's see, D, and we're supposed to have at least 3150. Okay, so we take a look at scale D. That's going to be the 1500 scale, and the 1500 scale is the second one from the top. So let me push 3 here, and we're supposed to be at least 3150. Okay, second one from the top, that's 5,000 right there. So we're definitely over 3150 right there. Here is a closer look at those interesting tube adapters. Thanks for watching.